with the help of your past experiences, and that stay with you forever.
Evening, Nepali. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Happy New Year, sir.
It's nice and warm at your place. Thank
Yes.
you, and same to you.
Thank
It
you.
seems it is nice and warm at your place, but here
Yes.
now it is freezing. It is very chilly. There was rain yes in the early morning and yesterday also. So
Great.
right now it is freezing.
Okay, that's nice, but like you guys experience like this weather, and that's nice. So we do not have that much cold in my place. At my place, yeah.
So I've seen quite a few of your videos on YouTube. You have a long way to go.
Thank you.
So, how's the response?
Yeah, it is quite good, but like my subscriber is quite increasing day by day, but not that much. Yes, I'm trying to increase my more subscriber. I have also started my Instagram. I'm also sharing their shorts, so I'm getting good response.
Yeah, yeah, you keep on trying if you want to make this into your, sort of a business or some profession, then you have to keep trying, keep on posting.
Yeah,
That's maybe you know more than me, but to my to my knowledge, I think you have to keep on trying, keep
yeah,
doing
so
it.
I'm doing that. Yeah. And my stories are also seen by big podcasters, so it is like a pleasure to posting that, and it's just like satisfaction that my shorts are watched by a lot of people, like a big podcaster Jordan Peterson. He also watched my podcast, like a story, and I got like from he, and also Alex. Uh, there is also one more podcaster. He also watch my story, and also I also comment in their comment section that I like their podcast. So I am also getting the feedback from them that thanks for appreciating me and keep going like that. Your network is fluctuating, sir.
So what else?
So your screen is frozen. You are not audible. Your screen is frozen, sir.
What else is new in the new year? Please,
Yeah, New Year resolution. Like
mobile.
do not. I will not waste my time. I will use my productive time. Sir, am I audible? Yeah, am I audible, sir? You are on mute.
Yeah, carry on now.
Yeah. I haven't planned anything, but I'm sure that I will not waste my time. I will use my time in productive manner, and also I keep going. I will not give up in my life. So sometimes I feel demotivated. I do not deny that we can't keep going all the time. I accept that. I told people I reveal that I am feel demotivated, and I also shared that I am trying to motivate myself. So I do different activities. So that is
Okay.
how I feel inspiration, and it is just like appreciation to myself that no, Deepali, you are doing good. So keep going and try to do in different manner as well, like that, because we do not get every time who will appreciate you, who will motivate you. You need to be motivate yourself. Self motivation is there. I also observed that when you watch some videos, motivational videos, so it only help you for a few minutes, a few days, and after that you feel blank and you do not feel like it is helping you, but your past experiences and that help you and you keep going and you keep working on yourself with the help of your past experiences, and that stay with you forever.
Okay. So I noted one thing in your pronunciation. See, the letter T has two kind, or rather, three types of pronunciations. Three.
Yeah.
One, T is ta, the Hindi ta, like for time.
Time.
Yes, time,
Hmm.
tennis,
Tennis.
tenet. Okay,
Tennis. Yeah.
yeah. The sound is the Hindi ta, this one. Okay,
Ta.
but
Hmm.
when T combines, when H comes after the T,
Hmm.
then you have two types of pronunciations. One is da, the Hindi da, for THE da,
Ta.
THAT that. So
That.
the sound starts with da. And the third one is tha. TH
Ta.
is tha. In like thick,
Thick.
thing,
Thing.
think, think, thing, thick,
Thing. Thick.
thickness. Okay.
Thick.
Then
Yeah.
you start with tha, not
Ta.
da. Okay.
Da.
So
Hmm.
when you are saying or when you are speaking after that,
Hmm. Hmm.
after the T is ta,
After
after
that.
after me in after the T is pronounced as ta, the Hindi ta, like
After.
in
Okay. Yeah. After
ta. Yeah, but that is not ta. It is the that.
that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So
That.
now, yeah, after okay, आ रहे हैं अभी एक मिनट. After the T is ta, and that starts with da and ends again with ta. After
Hmm.
that, da and
After.
ends with ta.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm.
so you better be careful when you are using that with
Yes.
words which also have T, the letter T in
Yes.
them.
Yeah.
Okay, after that, not that.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
you write it down. One pronunciation, ta, like time,
Hmm.
tennis, after maybe ta hai, but
Hmm.
in THE, da se da,
Yeah.
that,
Hmm.
do, THOUGH, do, da se. And you see the difference.
Hmm.
When you add T at the end of do, the sound changes. Thought.
Hmm.
It starts with tha again.
Hmm.
Do starts with da and thought starts with tha. Just
Ta.
because there is a T at the end. Thought.
Thought. Yes.
You see?
Yes.
So, yes, so you can work upon that and take
Yeah.
that as a guiding. So, what else? What
Yeah.
else is new in the new year?
New. Like I have visited temple, so it was new for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
What did you pray for? health.
Nothing. Like prayer is secret. You do not need to reveal, isn't it?
Good health, prosperity. Huh? Okay, so now you can practice one sentence, speaking one sentence, practice the pronunciation. For Nepali, your extra, okay, you can repeat after me.
Yes, yes, yes.
So Deepali, your extraordinary enthusiasm
So Deepali, your extraordinary enthusiasm
for excruciatingly correcting
for excruciating, correcting,
for excruciatingly correcting
for executing,
excruciatingly
excruciatingly
correcting
correcting. Yes,
the pronunciation of
the pronunciation of
bewildering words
bewildering words,
bewildering
bewildering the words,
bewildering bewildering
bewildering the
yeah
word,
words deserves exemplary appreciation.
deserve extreme appreciation, extempore.
Appreciate appreciation. Okay, so now I'm speaking the entire sentence in one shot, and you repeat the entire sentence after I am over.
Sure.
Okay. So Deepali, your extraordinary enthusiasm for excruciatingly correcting the pronunciation of bewildering words deserves exemplary appreciation.
I forget.
So let's see. You start with it.
So Deepali, your extraordinary appreciation deserve
No,
extraordinary appreciation.
extraordinary enthusiasm.
Yeah, extraordinary enthusiasm deserve extraordinary. Forget it.
7656.
Okay.
Yeah, some work is going on the Wi-Fi network. You know, the box had
Yeah.
something had gone wrong with the box. I have two Wi-Fis just because of any problem can start with one of them. So they are fixing that.
That's
So
nice.
so your extraordinary enthusiasm, you said that for excruciatingly correcting.
Yes. It is hard, sir, to remember the entire sentence.
When you have mastered this sentence, then
Yes.
you would be, perfect. Then
Yeah.
you would be uh, okay. Chalo phir.
Yes, sir. Happy New Year, sir, once again. Have a nice day. Bye.
Same to you. Same to you. Bye bye and have a good day.
Yeah.